result babumra da kamikhalia board of school education haka step connected montau banai namta cost of science ma cost of commerce kala Pynkyndit lut ya boro namak school ka bawan khamadu dik school ka ba umju kham pau hakisnam ka bladap ya karan ban kong kha 12 cents kamju ro 12 commerce manta kan ti la yo kala ban bangkali boys high school lemba warna du taban urisha purkayas tha apa phaibyang bat chakar sol 12 cents kiwi school ba poi top 10 ki kan thobro ka ram krishna mission sora na lok centuries per months Hakomers pat kijaka pule boyorong lang top 10 kinlok school blapau kidai ka Mausna Moda area high school Badruk Alpha English high school nongpo nalok Anderson Noston.
Very shocked actually.
Did you expect the result?
Actually, always expect nothing but the best from you, but getting the first position, I really did not expect it. So you always expect the best from you, but I really never expected to get the first position. I knew that I'll be getting a position, but the first position was really a surprise for me.
How was your
Preparation, I would say that consistency is important. Throughout the year, I maintained that consistency, and when the last 3 months, as far as the last 3 months were concerned, that was the time when I just really pulled up my socks, and that's how I did it. So I feel consistency is important. Like if you work hard throughout the year, then you'll just get through.
How many years have you studied here in Bengali Boys?
This was my 8th year in this school.
Since class?
5.
Since
Right
class.
from 2015, I've been a part of Labang Bengali Boys.
How's your education?
Actually, I have learned everything from here. I am not a student who has been the topper right from class 5 or 6. So I would just struggle to I would just struggle to get into 90s or somewhere 60s also. So actually, they are the ones who have brought me to this level actually. So I was groomed here. I was taught everything here only. So yeah, I just owe everything to them. Actually, now I'll be looking whatever offers I get. So I'll just pick the best from there, whatever I get.
What's your aim in life? Like, what do you want to do?
Aim in life, actually, it's not consistent. Sometimes I want to be a marine engineer, and then suddenly I see people doing well in the banking sector. Then I just want to go to the banking sector. So there's a lot of confusion about that.
What's your time management on it?
Time management, I would say that when everything like everything, schools, tuitions, everything, they go in full-fledged leave. So at that time, I prioritized finishing up things, whatever was done here. Like I went parallel with the school, and whenever I used to get some time, I used to revise everything up. Like on weekends, uh, throughout the week, I just went parallel with whatever was done in the school or tuitions, and then on Saturdays and Sundays, I just revised them up. And during the last 3 months, yes, during the last 3 months, I left social media. I did not watch television. So last 3 months, you could say that it was really.
Was it the
10th,
same?
No, actually, 10th I got 89.66 percentage, and I missed the rank by I don't remember the exact number, but it was not so less margin also. So that was the time when I decided, no, now in class 12 I have to get a rank. This time actually, I used to think that toppers are extraordinary. They study for 24 hours a day and that thing, all those things. Now, but now I learned that consistency was important. So consistency was something that I maintained this year in class 12. This time I maintained consistency, and I feel that that's the main reason why I got the first. I feel it's important to listen to people. Until and unless you have the quality to listen to people well, you'll not learn anything. So, whenever I was in the class, I just kept it very clear that I have to listen to the teacher very nice. Whatever I do after the classes get over, that's separate thing. But while I was in the class, I would just be focused.
My name is Mr. Burkasto and I'm from Jeldut and I secured the highest position in Commerce 2020.
So, did you expect the result? How did you feel?
I really did not expect it. That it was all because of the teachers, my parents and all the support I got. It all because of them I got this.
How do you feel about the result today?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy that I can make my parents proud. I can make the teachers of the school proud. So I'm very proud. I'm very grateful for this. No, I joined here in class 11.
Or 11? So, before that?
Before that, I was in a school called St. Xavier's in Polo. So in class 10 I got 91%.
Which position?
No, no, I did not get the position in class 10. I'm grateful that I got this time. I don't know. I think it's just because of the teachers. They guided me. All my teachers, all my parents, they guided me. So I'm very, very grateful for them. I'm thinking that I'll be an investment banker. Yes, I'll hope. Didn't really have a tight schedule. I just woke up, decided what I was going to study today, and I just stick with that simple routine. I don't think there is that much difference between a normal student and a topper. If you just put in just a little bit of effort, I think anyone can become a topper. I'll just give one message: work hard and believe in yourself. Thank you.
Thank you.